Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find all your post collaborations on Facebook using the web version on your PC. Facebook has recently updated its layout, so if you've been struggling to locate your collaborations, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account where you've collaborated on posts. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. When the menu expands, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page. Now, on the left-hand side, find and click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores all your actions and interactions in one place. After opening the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand more options related to your account activity. Next, click on Posts. This will filter your activity to only show posts you've interacted with or been involved in. Inside the Posts section, you'll now see an option called Collaborations. Click on it, and here you'll find all the posts where you've collaborated with others. This includes shared posts, tagged collaborations, and any content where you were added as a contributor. And that's it. You can now easily review, manage, or revisit all your Facebook collaborations in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple Facebook tutorials.